Hello, how are you? In this video, we are going to share the recipe and preparation method of a dish I really like, which is Spanish chicken and what like the history of ingredients and then preparation instructions. Spanish chicken ingredients: 2 liters of water, 1 kilogram of lead and zinc, 1/2 kilogram of natural peanut, 1 can and chipotle peppers, 100 liters of cream to taste, half of onion, 1 tablet of salt, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablet pot on kernel Swiss, 1 kilogram of tomatoes, 4 guajillo peppers. Fish in a pot we put to chicken, boil and half an onion, a tablespoon of salt to we peel the onions and place them on hot pan to fry. After that, we add a cup, a cup of the chicken with and then chilies. To short brothers become soft and to you add the added guajillo, chilies and the tomatoes just very salted to release the flavor. After frying, the next step is to put them in the blender and grind to 10 grade gram to state untouchable chilies until all the ingredients will combine. The next thing we need is to take chicken out of the pot and set heat a little to keep it quiet and preserve the concentrate flavor. And after sharing at the previous on ground mixing straight contact because hot cures heat cools the stick. The next step is to have the associate and telling summer for both of an how long hider. After this period is ready to plate it, you can serve it with red rice.